FMFAM, we're gonna talk about warranty versus extended warranty versus shit extended warranty, or some of y'all might say extended service contracts. Talk about it in a minute. As y'all know, I love to talk about extended warranties, extended service contracts. Okay, there is a lot of good when it comes to these companies. Okay, you just got to be careful on what companies to go with. Yes, a lot of them are scams. A lot of them aren't all too good. Okay, I'm dealing with one right now where it's only a powertrain coverage and they use junkyard parts for the most part. Okay, extended service contract companies will try to normally get the cheapest way out. Hell, sometimes they go down to the oil change or down to the air filter to decline claims if you have not kept up with your maintenance. With that being said, this one did get approved. I made a couple of shorts on this where I'm replacing the transmission. As you can see, it is different. Oxidation from the aluminum, casted aluminum, which is kind of crazy because the old transmission kind of looks newer than the one we just put in. But we don't know how long the other one sat in a junkyard or at LKQ, because we've got the transmission from LKQ. Now, I really lost time on this one because this thing was tagged with some tags that said stop. Okay, all the seals need to be replaced. The filter inside needs to be replaced, which it's not even a filter, it's a screen. These transmissions, the filters are not serviceable, only the screen is. So take down the pan like a normal transmission, and there's a screen in there that only filters out large objects. So I had to get approval from the warranty company to be able to do that, or else LKQ would void the warranty. Now, I could have installed the transmission and done the screen after, but they said torque converter seal had to be replaced also. As y'all know, torque converter seal cannot be replaced if the transmission is already installed. So that held me up for a couple hours. Then I had some lower control arms, which I recommended. They did not approve these, which is very odd. As you see this right here, that is actually a deep cut. It is separating right there. I believe on the front one as well. But they did approve motor mount, which is weird because this is a powertrain coverage only. But as we see, I got the brand new motor mount right there. Why couldn't they approve the control arms? I have no idea. We even gave the customer the option to replace the control arms, eat the labor, since we're already down. Sometimes they don't have money for that. We understand. Just try to find it a little less of a financial burden on the customer. So guys, y'all need to be careful on these extended service contracts. Read the fine print. If it says that they use junkyard parts, don't do it. If it's powertrain only, don't do it. It's only a couple, sometimes $500 to $1,000 more for the contract, and the contract is thrown into your finance loan. That's only gonna hurt you 10, 15, maybe $20. Guys, as I'm sitting here editing, I realized that I messed up. Don't have the microphone in. Sorry if there's a lot of background noise, but when I say it's only $500 to $1,000 more, I mean more for a better contract, not for the contract itself. So you can shop around for extended warranty contracts, of course, but if you're getting a vehicle at a dealership, they usually offer certain grades or certain levels of extended warranty. So you have wrap, you have powertrain, and then you have premium, platinum, whatever. Premium coverages, which covers pretty probably 95% of the vehicle, aside from maintenance items. So yes, like I said, from a basic extended warranty to a premium extended warranty, it's probably $500 to $1,000, maybe $1,500, depending on the type of vehicle. So I just wanted to step in real quick and clarify. It's not much. So if you could do the higher extended warranty coverage, or go through your financial institution or your insurance company, they usually offer the best extended service contracts that will replace assemblies, new assemblies. So yeah, let me get this frame up in the vehicle, and I'll show y'all what I'm talking about on these bushings. And see, one of them is actually open. It's hydraulic filled. It has fluid in there. Those should not be torn open. All right, we're gonna get this subframe in, and I'll see y'all in a second. Alrighty guys, we got the subframe up in the vehicle. This thing gave me a little bit of hell, but we are here to show you the lower control arm bushings. As y'all see, that one is separated right in here, right? The black line, yeah. You could actually stick something in there and it will go through. I don't know how that happened, but that one's starting to tear also. With the control arm relaxed, you really couldn't tell, but once you get it down at an angle, that's when the separation starts to open up. And that's where we get to see the faults. Y'all can see this side's not really torn open too much. It is starting to get surface cracks in there. And then you see this one right there is starting to separate as well. Okay, now I like to replace things in pairs, because when you do it in pairs, normally the labor gets knocked down a little bit because you already have some overlap. Rather than doing them separate, you do one side, you pay full pop. You do the other side at a different time, you pay full pop. So I like to do stuff in pairs. I recommend them in pairs. Although this one's not all the way done, all the way separated, I'm still gonna recommend it, because I don't want you to have to come back with another issue or the same issue, just opposite sides. So let's kill two birds with one stone. Now going back to this used transmission, guys, before anybody starts talking mess about, oh, I can't believe y'all putting junkyard assemblies in vehicles, y'all are supposed to be this, y'all are supposed to be that. It's up to the extended warranty what they're gonna do with the vehicle. Okay, now once we get the word from the extended warranty, it is now the customer's discretion, or should I say it's up to their discretion, whether they're okay with the junkyard transmission, engine, whatever it may be. It's up to them to decide, yes, go ahead with it, or no, I don't want a junkyard, whatever. Sometimes they'll pay the difference for a brand new unit. I mean, guys, think about it. When it comes to body work with the insurances, sometimes they put junkyard parts, junkyard struts, junkyard knuckles. Hell, they'll get a freaking car, cut the car apart, get a donor car, cut that section, that piece out of the vehicle, a donor vehicle, and section that into your vehicle. Guys, they use used parts all the time. Just being in the position that I am, I just don't like to, because if there's an issue with functions within the transmission, we're gonna have to do it again. Double the work is never fun. Yes, I'm gonna get paid again, but I still don't like that. Okay, we get surveyed, fixed right first time. Did you fix it right the first time? If it's a faulty part, that's not my fault. And if the customer decides, no, it wasn't fixed right the first time, I had to take it back because the part messed up again, boom, that's a no, and that affects me. Also, we don't like comebacks. But anyways, so yeah, when it's under regular warranty, you will never see us put a junkyard piece in there, because good junkyard pieces are never guaranteed. LKQ has their own separate warranty. That's why I had to put a filter, replace the seals and do stuff like that. Now, if one of those seals fail or the filter fails, then it becomes Nissan warranty, because we installed it, it was paid for. Now they carry a 12/12 warranty. All right, guys, well, that's gonna be it for this video. I just went on about 10 minutes about ranting and this and that, blah de blah. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Deuce. Oxidation on the drop belt. Do a video on this. All right, so this seal, they did not approve these. Is there sufficient pressure for them? Well, I got a whole bunch of parts right there. And then I bought this one because it was a special edition one time.